Hello, hello, hello. Should be audible now. Perfect. I made a mistake of, you know, disabling the mic audio on OBS. Mm, ये क्या ये कौन सा गाना है? No, no, I don't need this song. ये मेरे माउस का वाट लगा हुआ है. ज़मीं तो आसमां और ज़रूरी दास्तां कैसे चढ़े. Okay. So for the 18th of May, we have this question: distributed coins in binary tree. I have no idea to solve how to solve it. It's going to take some time. यार ये माउस का प्रॉब्लम है या माउस पैड का प्रॉब्लम समझ नहीं. Given the root of a binary tree with n nodes, where each node in the tree has node.val coins. है लाइट चली गई ऑफिस में. Is the internet still here? I hope it is. ताज तू धड़क है, फर्क है, फर्क है, फर्क है. Okay, I don't know how many viewers I have. Do I even have anyone? Yeah, I have one view. At least one view. चलो यार ऑलरेडी 8 मिनट हो गए स्ट्रीम शुरू किया. कुछ किया नहीं मैंने तो एटलीस्ट समथिंग. So basically what I will be doing in this stream is uh, अभी अगर if I show you this browsing space, you see I have this one Instagram channel that I created to see, store or basically post all the daily questions answers. Basically, assigned cookies was the first question for January 1st, I believe. Yeah, and so session, yeah, like it's quite easy. Sorting use किया था मैंने. I should not have, but anyways, I won't lie, I've forgotten. I have completely forgotten how I'm supposed to solve this question now. So, एक kinda revision type का हो गया ये stream, and I also want to understand. I also want to have like a video for every daily, lead code question that we had on lead code for this year because 360 daily challenge वाला मेरे को करना है, complete करना है कैसे कुछ भी हो जाए. So I want to make sure that I'm at least doing that. So अभी the last daily question that I had created was for January 16th. As you can see here, this one. So January 16th अगर किया है, and let me go back to it. Daily वाला. Okay, yeah, there we go. Oh, where was it? Code. हाँ, there we go. किधर है? इसको इधर भेजता हूँ, रुको. इसको भी इधर भेजो. Yeah, this is easier. So this is May. May का my streak, as you can see, is 0. This is very bad, man. But April may be just fine. There's 31 here at the bottom actually. Let me do one thing. Expand this problem of the T का जो window है ना on OBS. Let me quickly expand this. This should be good. Let me lock this. Yeah, okay. So this is for April. Sorry, March. This is for February, and this is for January. So January में I almost did a week, like पूरा एक हफ्ता ढंग से किया था. Like I have solved every one of these. It's not like I've not solved. I have solved, but the problem is I have not solved them on a streak. So if I open this, sorry, not here, not here. Wait, wait, wait. Let me copy the link and let me go to the browser window. पता मुझे कैसे सहता हूँ. Yeah, so as you can see, I've solved it. So the problem isn't that I can't solve it. The problem is I forgot how I solved it. So I need to work on that. And yeah, this is but reset, reset, reset. I don't want to see the code at all. Perfect. So we'll solve all these, daily questions on this stream. I think I'll try to stream on a weekend of sorts. Let's see. By the way, I think I should use that thing. Uh, आँखों की उदासी कभी देख सकता नहीं. YouTube का live control panel, right? I'll have to sign in though. Wait. Cardboard code. Hmm. Oh damn, did I forget my password? I did. यार चढ़ना ही चाहिए मेरे को यूट्यूब का लाइव पैनल. If there's a chat, I'll monitor the chat on my this thing phone. Not like there's any. Okay, बहुत time waste कर लिया. But at least let's start. So I'll solve these in a way that I can at least pick these recordings out of the stream and then add it for the videos. So थोड़ा सा cringe रहेगा, ठीक है? देख के. Question intro था, कहाँ था? Yeah. So okay, question intro I think इसमें है. Yep, there we go. Everyone will stall will solve the daily question for the 1st of January, which is assign cookies. Let's try to understand the question. Assume you are an awesome parent and want to give your children some cookies, but you should give each child at most one cookie. Okay, each child I has a greed factor. एक मिनट तो है कहाँ बहुत लाउड बज रहा है. हाँ, nice. Each child has a greed factor 0.5, which is the minimum size of a cookie that the child will be content with, and each node J has a size J. If size of J is greater than equal to greed, basically जितना उसको चाहिए उससे ज़्यादा हुआ, then we can assign that particular cookie to that kid. अगर exactly equal भी हुआ तो भी कम हो तो दे देंगे क्योंकि बच्चा मानेगा नहीं, बेसिकली बच्चे को ज़्यादा चाहिए ना तो exactly उतना चाहिए. And the child I will be content. Your goal is to maximize the number of your content children and put maximum. ठीक है. Let's take a screenshot of the problem, example problem, and go to the whiteboard. दोनों का screenshot लेता हूँ. रुको 1 minute. भाई इतना slow क्यों है ये machine? Paint. Let me take you guys to the whiteboard. There we go. Let me actually move this to the top. Wait. Transform. Center horizontally. इसको block कर दो. अच्छा, I can't switch profiles while streaming. Nice. No worries. So let me actually move this out of the way. अरे रुक. हाँ, इसको हटाओ. Perfect. चलो पहला को देखते हैं. तो G123. Okay. Now कैसे चाहिए इसको? G123 size is 1 and 1. Output 1 because output 1 just wait. What do we have to return? Do we have to return like how your goal is to maximize the number of your content and output the maximum number of content children? Okay, got it. So if greed is 1 2 3 मतलब S was size of cookie, yeah. So I have cookies of size 1 and 1. I have kids who need one guy needs size 1 cookie, the other guy needs size 2 cookie, and the third guy needs size 3 cookie. So with this, I can only satisfy one. Oh, satisfy sounds so wrong, man. Um, I can only make sure that one of my kids is content with the cookie. बाकी दोनों रोएंगे बैठ के क्योंकि नहीं है मेरे पास उतना बड़ा cookie. Okay, so this is one way. So how do I map this? I mean, like I can sort G and S, and then sort in descending order, and give the biggest cookie to the biggest most greedy guy. So ऐसे करके मैं धीरे धीरे करके नंबर सबसे बड़ा वाला सबसे जिस ग्रीडी वाले बच्चे को दूंगा उसका धीरे धीरे करके हो जाएगा. Can do that. That's one, but that will be big of login, right? N login, sorry. यार ये टच स्क्रीन अच्छा नहीं है इतना. So big of L login, and that's not good. What else can we use? If I loop through, I mean, big of N square is even worse, na? What I was imagining was, let's say I take the first cookie, okay, then I look for this cookie का. अरे तेरी याद आ गया. Wait. I must pause this. I like that song. अरे यार, pause हो जा. Hmm. Okay, so I start with the biggest cookie and assign it to. I check if there exists a guy. So not yeah. Let's say I start with the most greedy guy. I see what is the maximum among the other values. Then I pop that and give this guy the maximum. So, but that's the thing. I'll have to at least sort one of them. Get that lead to one again. Um, because and login. Let me check if uh, the okay. Why are both the examples sorted? Does the question mention that it will be sorted? Let me quickly go to the question actually. Um, assume okay, whatever, which is the maximum size of okay. To the child A, you're going to maximum profit. Again, like, why are these two sorted? Are they supposed to be? I don't know if they are supposed to be sorted or not. I completely forgot how greedy algorithms work though. I need to look that up. But yeah, I think greedy algorithms won't be used here though. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to the whiteboard. इसको मैं निकाल के वीडियो कैसे बनाऊंगा यार इसका. अच्छा, I'll do one thing, like we'll go through a process of solution here, and then I'll go through everything again for the video bit. Um, okay, let's pick this item, check the biggest cookie available, but I have to sort one of them. That's the thing. Like, how will you do it without sorting? Let's say if there's a solution for that. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of ashamed of the fact that I can't even solve an easy problem without looking at the solution. But yeah, I've let go of those notions. Not gonna lie, कि होता है धीरे धीरे करके होगा. बहुत टाइम के बाद मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. Like not lead code in a long time. Again, excuses, but ठीक है. So what does this guy say? Intuition वगैरह वो सब छोड़ो. Show me the code for. You're sorting it, man. I want with the two pointer. Oh, two pointer. Okay, nice. Two pointer solution is interesting. This is a sorting solution? Artery. How? Dude, this guy. Light. Where is the two pointer solution, sir? I want the two pointer solution. Sir, where is the two pointer solution, sir? This is not a two pointer solution. What the fuck, man? Step by step. Do you use sorting as well? अबे यार सब sorting करेंगे तो फिर फायदा क्या है? There's no point now if you sort it. I want to see if there's one line solution. Again, sorting. That's also sorting. I want to see if you can do it without sorting. You know what? Let's go to our how to say what क्या बोलते हैं उसको गुरुजी नीट कोड आएगा और गुरुजी. Let's check Neat Code IO's video on this. It's raining outside, man. This feels amazing. Lead coding while it's raining. Neat Code or assign cookies. You won't be able to hear it by the way, because I've muted it. Please God, don't tell me you are also sorting it. If you give me a big open solution, I'll be really happy, man. Schema. ठीक है भाई. So if everyone is sorting it, then ठीक है man. I'll also do that. Sure. I don't know if it can be done without sorting, honestly. Okay. So if I were to sort it in, let's say, ascending order, we can start with the end array, dude. First, I'm really pissed at the mouse. I don't know what's wrong with this mouse. Yeah. So if I sort it, luckily the example is already sorted, but regardless, we have 1, 2, 3, and the size of cookies is brown, brown, brown. Yeah, 1 and 1. What I'll do is I'll start with the end. Okay, we'll see is is there a cookie that can satisfy the last guy? No. Move to the next one. Is there a cookie that can satisfy this guy? No. Move to the next one. Is there a cookie that can satisfy this guy? Yes. If it is, then I'll first increment a value by 1, and then I'll move this to here because this cookie has been, I don't know, used or something. Yeah, that's it. So I know I can just return I, but like I want to like simplify this in a better way. I saw one solution where they were just returning I. So yeah, let's try solving this question now. G dot sort s dot sort for I in range. I'll keep I as the cookie ka. Hmm. J will be for cookies and S will be for, so J will be for greedy people, the kids, and I will be for the cookies. So um, if the size of the greed of actually this should be length minus 1. Mm, yeah, let's go from reverse. So for if but the particular guy's greed is less than or equal to the current cookie, current size of the cookie, I'll just store a value content kits. So in this scenario, what will happen is we have a cookie whose size is greater than the maximum greed. So content kits plus 1. And after this, what shall you do? If the I think that's it, right? We do this until what is the breaking scenario? I should not be equal to 0, right? Hmm. But content plus 1, and then I mean, like in the next iteration, it will automatically loop back. Um, oh, but oh, okay, wait, no. If the last cookie cannot satisfy the other guy, it should move in the outer loop. It should not, they both of them should not go back the same route. Okay, this is bad. Na. For I in range length of, let's say, the kids. Okay, इसके अंदर एक और for J ले मैं I don't know, for some reason it's calling me. For I in range of length of cookies. Okay, minus 1. Big of n square. But this will end up into big of n square solution. Or m into n, to be honest. Worst case scenario would be n square. How did they... Let's look at the solution once again. Huh? Like technically won't this kind of be a... Mhm. Now I'm kind of confused. I'm like, because technically this makes it a n square solution. If basically starting with the start itself, if the greed of this particular while j is less than n length of s, okay, and i greed of this kid is greater than the size of the cookie j plus equals 1, so you're going to the uh, j is less than length of s, okay, greed of I is greater than size of cookie, so you're trying to go to the biggest cookie which can satisfy the current kid. Yeah. So you'll basically reach a point where g of I would be either less than or equal to the size of cookie. And in that scenario, what you'll do is you'll basically mention that one kid is satisfied, and then you'll do j plus one, which will be j length as. So you'll go to the next cookie. So you're picking a cookie. Let's go to the whiteboard. So what you're doing is okay. Let me draw the these are kids. 1, 2, 3, and these are cookies. 1, 1. You pick a cookie. Okay. Um, you then loop on the kids until you find a kid whose greed is less than or equal to the size of the cookie. You found it. You increase you basically move to the next cookie, which means that this cookie has been eaten. If a cookie has been eaten, that means that a kid was content, and then you move to the next cookie. And here you move to the next cookie permanently because the kid was content. You then try to loop through the entire thing until you find a guy whose greed is less than the current cookie. Okay, less than or equal to the current cookie. If you don't find anything, then you move to the next one, and then move to the next one and ends it. So, okay, so that's the approach. Okay, got it. Okay, let me try to code it like without looking, because I kind of got the whole logic here. I just want to try to code it without looking. So I'll take for j. Okay, and while this has to be actually same. While j is less than, so while I is less than length of the number of cookies, and the current kid's greed is greater than the size of the cookie. So basically look for the kid whose greed is less or equal to, basically we'll find equal to, or in some scenarios less than the size of the cookie. In this scenario, what we'll do is this thing can go away actually. I don't need this. We'll increase I plus equals 1 because we found a possible match, and we can let this particular kid eat the cookie. So that means that we are moving on the cookie list. Then um, if the length, what will we break? Where will we break? If j equal to length of, I think this should work. Something tells me this is wrong. I'm doing something wrong, but I'm gonna try. Right? Kind of confused you. ओ नहीं. Mm, I'm not assigned it, right? So I have to assign it. That's why it's giving this now. Okay, I think I need to loop on this one as well. Did I go in an infinite loop? Oh no, I need to check if the cookies have finished, right? So if IW equals length of s means that we are done with the cookies. Move to the next one and then check the next cookie. Mm, Let me quickly try to understand the solution. Wait a minute. You know what, man? Mm, I'll do it my way. Fuck it. I'll do it my way. I'll do it the way I believe we will be able to get a solution. I understand. Like, anyways, he's using sort. I'll also use sort. I have a better solution for that. Like, I have a solution that I can understand better, at least. So I'll try that. Wait. I'll try to figure out what exactly is he doing later. Abhi, for now, let's understand. I wanted to sort it in reverse order because this will make sure that I am working with the greediest guy first. Okay. And I have content kits. This is my channel. I'll use my solutions for this one. Fuck it. So basically while I is less than length of s and j is less than length of what is this g, if the current size of the cookie basically is less than or equal to No, no. If it's greater than or equal to the greed of this particular guy, whoever we are at, content kits will increase because one guy ate the cookie, and we'll move on to the next things. Okay, I will increment by 1, j will increment by 1. If let's say I couldn't find the current kid, basically his greed is greater than the size of the cookie, so this means that this will be false, right? The only reason why this could be false is when the greed is greater than the current size cookie. In that scenario, I don't want that. I want to like entertain that kid, so I'll move on to the next kid. Get, and yeah, this should solve it. Sorry, but cannot access local variable I. Why does this happen every time? Acha, I need to actually assign a value. Everything needs to be 0 initially. Okay, I'm directly assigning it, accessing it, right? Now let's see. Yeah, much better, man. This solution is, let's see. Here's a neat code solution beat 10%, right? My solution beats 75.52. Damn, that is a good result. Okay, good, nice. Oh, I forgot to start the timer for this one, but yeah, never mind. I'll start the timer for the next one. Yeah, this is a good solution. I'm happy with this solution because I came up with it. Doesn't matter if it's big or log n, man. Nice. This is good. Now let's work on the next solution. 77 now. What is this solution, man? What was so fast? Okay. G equals sorted of G. Length is length of G. Okay, n equals 0. For B in sorted S, if B the size of the cookie biscuit, the size of the biscuit is greater than equal to the current kid, n plus equal to 1. Otherwise increase and no. Oh, it continuously loops on the cookies actually. Oh, nice. Oh, you're putting in the output on a file. That's why it's faster. Nice. All these folks who put the solution on a file always tend to be faster, man. For some reason, I don't know why. Damn, that was like so wrong. I solved this question on Gen 7, not on Gen 1st. That's why I didn't get that tick. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm at least happy that I did it on myself, on my own. I didn't follow someone else's solution directly. So I'm happy with that. Okay, let me minimize this. Okay, so let's reset this first. Okay, and let's do the acting for the whole YouTube video thing. And let me quickly check what's going on in the stream. It's a lonely stream. I'm fine with that. Okay, let's do it. First is question intro, right? Now to listen to some good music. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome to the question for January 1st. The question here, as you can see, is assign cookies. Let me quickly hover that. Yeah, there we go. So assign cookies. That's on the left. And basically the question is, let me pause the music. Actually, it's irritating. Wait, I love this music, by the way. I highly recommend it. I love this song, by the way. I highly recommend it. Anyways, so basically, you are an awesome parent and you have some kids, okay? And every kid has a greed factor, which means that they want a cookie of this size, and you have a list of cookies as well with specific sizes. You need to make sure that you satisfy the hunger of the maximum kid amount of kids. That way, you will be an awesome parent. So how do we do that? Basically, we first check the guy with the maximum greed, which is 3. We see if we have a cookie that can satisfy them. No. 2, do we have a cookie that can satisfy them? No. 1, we have a cookie that can satisfy them. We give them the cookie. Number of satisfied kid is 1. Output is 1. For example, here 1 and 2. Maximum greed is 2. Do we have a size of cookie 2 or more? Yes, we have 3. Let's give it to him. Then we have 1 and 2 remaining. And with 1, do we have a cookie with most bigger size? Yes, we do. Give it to him. Kadam, we have 2 content kits now. So this way we have to solve it. Now, I couldn't find a big O of N solution for this, and we won't really need whiteboard for this. So I'm just quickly go to solution. I couldn't find a big of N solution, but I did find big of N log N solution using sort, and we'll do that. So let's sort the greedy kits by descending order, and we'll do that for the cookies as well. Not C, SS. Why is cookies as S? And is there a word with S that means cookies or biscuits or anything? So content kits will be the result that we'll be returning. So I'll just return that in advance. Okay. Now what we have to do is, while we basically look at the greediest guy, see what is the biggest cookie available. If that can satisfy this guy's hunger, great. And then we have one content kit. Otherwise, move to the next one. Move to the next kid. So while I is less than length of s, which is we're making sure that we will basically loop out once we are done with cookies, and j is less than, so fail faster, right? So I want to make it fail faster if there are less number of cookies over more number of kids. Usually that's what happens. So yeah, I is less than length of s and j is less than length of g. Mhm. And let's also add another thing, and content kids, content kinds. Okay, nice. Content kids is less than length of total kids, because if it's equal, get out. You have satisfied all your like satisfy the hunger of all your kids. So if the size of the current cookie is greater than or equal to the grade of the current kid, So this way you're making sure that you are basically, you have basically satisfied one kid. So here you satisfied one kid because the size of the current cookie is more than the greed of the current kid. So now you move to the next cookie and to the next kid. If the size is not great, let's check the next one. Next cookie. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Oh, I should have started the timer, man. I forget it. Hey, you what? Acha, oh. Hmm. Wait a minute. Let me try to understand what's wrong here. Okay. Well, I is less than the number of cookies and J is less than the number of kids. If the current kid's greed, so the current cookie size is greater than the current kid's greed, greater than or equal to. I have one content kid. Move. Oh, I plus I. Oh, there you go. I made a mistake. There we go. Now it should work. Sir, what the hell? What am I doing wrong? Oh, you have to move to the next kid. Don't move to the next cookie. We move to the next kid. There we go. So we beat 96.23. Nice, man. This is a very, very fast solution. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. No, I'm not stopping the stream. That was part of the video recording thing. But yeah, this is great, man. At least I solved one of the questions. Let's move to the next one. Next is convert an array into a 2D array with conditions. Let me copy the link, paste it here. I need a quick break, so I'll be back. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. We'll solve the next question now. So, convert an array into a 2D array with conditions. It's a liquid medium problem. And to save time, I already I can see that the whole stream is already 1 hour long. So I'll record this particular video as for the actual video then. Yeah. I'm sure about that. No. You can't do that. No. No. Some ASMR. I think I should have streamed on Twitch maybe. Would have increased my viewership. What should I? So let's talk about the second question, which is convert an array to the array. What is the question? Let's go to the question. Let me reset the answer. This time I will remember to actually, start the timer. अरे ये तो बहुत sad song है यार. Let me quickly change the music to something instrumental. Wait. Let's listen to some music from Samuel Kim. This guy is great. Let's do some Demon Slayer music. I want the entire collection. Okay. Let's start the timer right now. Okay, wait. Again, video okay. Yeah, you gotta listen to this one, man. This track is amazing. Okay. Um, Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the second question, January 2nd, for Physics Friday's coding, late coding. And the question is convert an array into a 2D array with conditions. Now, what is the condition? If you look at the question here, the 2D array should contain only the elements of the array nums. Each row in the 2D array contains distinct integers. The number of rows in the 2D array should be minimal. This is like weird, man. Like, how should I say this? Understanding the question, as in, understanding the text in this question is more difficult than the actual question itself. So what they want is, for example, this is the um, list that they're sending. Okay, you need to create multiple lists or 2D array out of this array where every row should have a list of distinct elements. So there are three threes, so two threes, right? So there should be two rows with threes, three ones, so three total rows, then etc. like that. Now, what the number of rows, the maximum number of rows that we'll have will always be equal to the maximum or the maximum frequency of how to say this, it will be equal to the frequency of the element which has the highest frequency basically. So you can already imagine what kind of data structure we can use here, a hash map. So let's go to the whiteboard. Let's understand what can we do here. Let me quickly take a screenshot of this problem. Okay, so what we can do first is create a hash map. Okay, hash map will have frequency. 1 occurs thrice, 2 is at 2 once, 3 twice, and 4 once. Yeah, that's it. With this, what we'll do is, we now know that we have to have actually, we will have maximum 3 rows. We will create a dynamic 2D array, so we don't need to worry about the maximum rows and everything. But at least we have an idea now. And the maximum length of any row would be equal to the maximum number of distinct elements, right? Because the first row will have all the elements which have at least one frequency, and it has all the distinct numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we'll do is we'll create a set. Okay, this is a set. Inside that we'll append a set every time we get a zeroth value. So basically, let's say assume we found a distinct element. This means that we are at a distinct row. So we append a row. Okay, we look at the frequency of this element. The frequency of this element is 3, which means that it will appear in 3 rows. So we'll add it to this particular row and then reduce the frequency by 2 maybe. Similarly for 2, it will appear in the first row, then 0, 3 will appear here, and then 4 will appear here. Now by the next iteration, we have this frequency map now, 2, 0, 1, 0. So 2 will appear again, 2 means 1 will appear again, then 2 becomes 0, 1, and 3 from 1 goes to 0. So there we go. And there's the second row. The third row is 1, 1 frequency, just go to 0. So we have 1 and we don't have any other element. That's it. This is the 2D array. So we can work like this. Let's go to the code. Frequency hash map equals default date of int. Mhm. We'll have a result array, which will be the 2D array basically. Why is the browser so slow, man? For randoms, first check which row it is. Row equals frequency hash map of the current item. So if the row is 0, because we'll keep on increasing the frequency. We're actually going in the reverse order now. If we go to the whiteboard, we'll go with the reverse order. So we'll go from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. For 1, for example. Now, so result. Okay, if the length of result equals row length of row equals row, which means that there are no elements. Zeroth element. We're talking about the length of result with 2 with the 2 elements. So row will be 2. Mm-hmm. So in this scenario, we'll append an empty array because that's what we start with. Bro, I've been typing for a while now. I don't understand why it's so slow. Now, what we do is result row. And why is it taking so long to type? So yeah, oh, I typed the wrong one. The row, at this particular row, we'll append a new element I. Sorry, new element n. So basically, row is the current frequency. Okay, so if row is 3, so the current frequency is, let's say, 1. So that means that we are at row number 1 now. And for this particular element has already occurred once, and now we'll be increasing the element, the frequency basically, which so it should be at row number 1, which means that it has occurred twice already. Dot append n, and I said twice because we will append the value at the end. Yeah. Now return result. Did I forget to run the timer again? Where is I? Not I. N. You guys didn't remind me either. Come on, man. Where is I? I'm not using. Oh, I'm not even kidding. Serious with you. Like, browser is really slow right now. I don't know why. Maybe this machine cannot handle OBS, streaming, music, everything altogether. Yeah, it beats 90.52%. There we go. This is a great solution. I'll see you in the next one. I really hope I can actually, revisit all these videos. Let's check if I can actually do that. I mean, these usually get stored here, so I will be picking this video and then adding that there. Let's see. Let's try. Okay, we'll move on to the next question then. Oh, no, no, no. Give me a minute, it's loading. Even the internet is slow now. Number of laser beams in a bank. Okay, this is actually. Wait, I think I've solved this question. I have solved this question. Like, by solved, I mean like I've solved pretty much all the questions, but I also have a video of this. Wait. Laser beam, laser beam, laser beam. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I already did assign cookies and convert an array to 2D array as well. Array, yaar, come on, man. I just didn't mark them. January 1, 2, 3 करके 8 है. Let me quickly check what we have we done. Laser beams, okay. Next is minimum number of operations to make an array empty. Have we already done that? Done that. Longest increasing subsequence, maximum profit in job scheduling. Longest increasing subsequence. No, we have not done that. And maximum job scheduling, even we have not done that either. Yeah, I've already done this. Oh, I also use my cat VTuber avatar for that. Come on, man. How did I forget? Let's quickly check this video. Was it on the 1st of January or 7th of January? I think I uploaded this on the 7th of January. Yep, 7th of January. I do had those tags actually, Jan 1, Jan 2, Jan 3 करके. Okay, it's okay. This was a good revision stream for 2 problems and it took me 1 hour. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, most of the time was set on adjusting the browser window and everything. So apologies for that. But I do understand that YouTube streaming hardly gets me. Oh, it bet. Oh, lobby sus. पढ़ाई कर जाके. आधा टाइम तो मैंने इसमें चला गया पूरा सेटअप करने में, प्लस बहुत स्लो भी हो रहा था वीडियो, तो उसका भी थोड़ा टिक करना था. एंड आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. Excuse me. I kinda need a break now, man. Won't lie. The rain outside just stopped as well. It would be better if I head back home now. Otherwise, it will start raining heavy. Okay, guys, I'll stop the stream for today. I'll continue my stream tomorrow, and I'll wake up early for the stream tomorrow. Actually, maybe stream on Twitch this time. And yeah, see you in the next stream. This is proper. Goodbye. Bye bye.